Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate with biscuits step by step. Start by gathering all ingredients and tools on a clean surface. Puree chocolate and break biscuits into even pieces. Keep a small bowl of warm water to smooth spatula work. Work patiently on melting, combining, and chilling to get a glossy finish. I will guide you through every stage with simple tips for reliable results and tasty outcomes. Measure ingredients precisely and prep your workspace with parchment and a mold or tray. Chop larger chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly and heat gently over a water bath or in short microwave bursts. Crush biscuits to a consistent size for even distribution and texture. Optional add-ins like nuts or dried fruit can be mixed in at the end to keep crunch and flavor balanced. Begin by melting 2/3 of your chocolate slowly, stirring often for smooth heat distribution. Remove from heat and add the remaining chocolate to bring the temperature down and encourage shine and snap. Fold in crushed biscuits with a gentle motion to preserve crunch, then transfer the mix into a lined tray or molds. Smooth the surface, tap to release air pockets, and refrigerate until firmly set for clean slicing and crisp texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.